guys, welcome to fall, welcome to my channel. I have done a bit of very dark smoky makeup, which is completely not me, but it is fall time and I am ready to start wearing some darker lipsticks, darker eyeshadow, and just all around being more into the fall spirit. Also, if you're wondering where my headband and earrings are from, these are both handmade, made by two amazing ladies that I know. So today I'm going to be doing a very monochromatic fall look, so if you're interested in watching that, then just keep watching. So this step may not be the most important, but I'm trying to get a very warm, cozy fall vibes here. So I'm going to take a little bit of like a deeper bronzer. I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild bronzer in Bronze Dynasty. This is the limited edition one, but they came out with new color icon bronzers, and I'm sure you can find a dupe for this color. If you don't want to follow exactly what I'm doing, then just use a bronzer that's a little bit deeper than your normal ones. I did my base makeup off camera because it's really not important, I'm using a bit of a dewier foundation. I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation and concealer, and also the Revolution Brow Pomade. I'll probably just have all the products linked down below. Hopefully they're all good. This shade of blush I feel like is important for the exact look that I'm doing. This is the Becca Cosmetics Wild Honey blush. I absolutely love this blush. It's kind of like a burnt peach. It's a very deep peach color, and I love it. Because I'm going for that monochromatic look that kind of matches these earrings. And also I'll let you guys know where I got these earrings, just in case you're wondering. So my highlighter, this probably really isn't important either, but I am going with a slightly more golden highlighter. I'm going in with the Ofra Madison Miller Moon Dance highlighter. Ugh. You guys know how I am with my Ofra highlighters. This is just, oh my gosh. I got this in an Ipsy bag. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. I got this in my Ipsy bag, and it's literally a full-sized Ofra highlighter. So I am going to be doing my eyeliner before my eyeshadow. I know that sounds weird, but I'm going to be smoking out my liner. So I'm probably going to do my liner off camera. I'm just going to be taking the ELF Expert Liquid Liner. This is one of my absolute favorites. Alright, so I've just zoomed you guys in. I want to make it clear that I've never attempted this look before, and I'm a little concerned it's not going to turn out very good, but here we go. So literally the only reason I keep this eyeshadow palette is for one specific shade, because it matches one of my lipsticks perfectly. It's the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, and I got this in a BoxyCharm a while back, if you guys remember. I'm going to be taking the shade Cinnamon. Like, look, see, this matches my earrings and everything. So excited. So I'm going to be taking that, and I'm going to be trying to smoke out my wing liner with that, so wish me luck. I'm also taking the tiniest little brush. Okay, so on an even smaller little pencil brush, I'm just going to take that same shade. I'm going to go grab a black eyeshadow real fast, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm going to take the Capricorn out of the Zodiac palette. It does have little gold shimmers in it, so I'm going to tap those off. Now taking that tiny little pencil brush again, I'm going to do the same thing, but run it closer to my wing. And I'm basically just going to smudge out the wing with that. Going back into the shade Cinnamon again. Okay, so I'm going to take a flat shadow brush, or I guess kind of concealer brush, and I'm going to take a tiny bit of concealer, and I'm going to clean this up somehow. Okay, so basically all I did is I just shaped it to look kind of like a fat short wing. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see what I've done. So basically I just sort of created like an abstract smoky wing. It's not exactly what I meant to do, but I honestly think it turned out really, really good. Now continuing on with the bottom lashes, I'm going to take the same shade from the Ace Beauty palette. It is the shade Cinnamon, and I'm going to run that underneath my eye. And I am actually going to take a little bit of the Capricorn, that black shade, just a tiny, tiny little bit, and run it on the outer corner. That was actually quite a bit more than I wanted, but okay. And then I almost always go back with a powder brush and pinch it. Take it underneath so I don't have any like fallout or anything. You have to be very careful with black eyeshadow because it can just take over so quick. Then I'm going to be taking the Revolution Foil Frenzy palette, and if you haven't seen these are amazing eyeshadows. And I'm going to go in with this one right here. Oh yeah, just to make it a bit sparkly. Okay, I'm gonna go put on mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, so I think I'm finished with the eyes. I feel like I look like a raccoon, but I wanted it to be smoky. I'm just not used to seeing myself with very like smoky and dark colors on my eyes. It's very weird, but it's very fall appropriate. So the last thing I have for this very monochromatic look is my lipstick. For my lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Kylie Lip Kit in Pumpkin, which I've done a whole video review on this. It was the first Kylie lip kit I ever bought, and I'm super excited to be using it today. Alright, so this is the finished look. It's a lot darker than I normally do. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm not really sure how much of a tutorial it really was, as much as both of us learning together. I'm ready to pull off some more like dark fall looks. I'm pretty excited for that, and just try more like darker makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I post new videos every single Saturday, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye!